I just got the kids something little. We got them each a t-shirt, cards, and chocolates, and a stuffy. It's kind of my tradition to do that. Pardon the noise in the background. It's my little vacuum buddy. Then I got Cade. Same thing, just different chocolates. Dominic. Got Randy some clothes and a card. And then I just set the table for tonight's dinner. We're just gonna do homemade pizzas in the shape of hearts because Randy has to work tonight, so he has to coach hockey. So we're not gonna do a big, huge dinner like we normally do. We'll just do that another night. Just gonna make Sophia some tea. I just blended up some different herbs that I have in my cupboard because I have a whole collection of herbs that another day I will share with you guys, but there's a sneak peek at my herbs. So I blended something up because she's not feeling very good, and I added some ginger. So I just used my fresh French press, and then I just let it sit for a little while and steep. And I'm just gonna pour some in here for her and bring it to her in her room because she's homesick from school today.
You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are, and I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall, but I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore.
Okay, let's do it.
Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night.
My body, I got like this itch behind my shoulder. Sometimes it's like my skin is bugging me. I really like this eyeshadow because it's a liquid liner, so it stays on really well. The way my eyes are shaped, my eyelashes always touch the lids of my eyelids. So then I have to constantly be like, I'm self-conscious all the time of having black marks above my eye because of my mascara. I find when I have this eyeshadow on, I don't have that same problem. So that's awesome. All right, let's go downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna fold some laundry, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and make some chocolate covered strawberries because that's gonna be really tasty for tonight. And then I'm gonna look up a recipe for homemade pizza dough because the one I have, I don't think we love. It's fine, but I'm gonna look up another one. And then I'm going to go outside and feed Linus and Roscoe some lunch and my goats and check on all those little critters. I'm gonna quickly fold this little bit of laundry, nothing at all, so I can get on with the day. Okay? My bucket for my chickens. It is a very beautiful but chilly day today. Oh no. Everybody's wanting to see me. Hi. Hello everybody. So happy to see me. Great. There we go. I just give them my kitchen scraps. And they're happy critters. Crap. Hi Linus, you cold? It's freezing. Hi guys. Hey. What are you doing over there? You're far away. Bunny bunnies. Hi bunny bunnies, you cold? Here, my friend. You come to see me? You say, where's the food, lady? Look how dirty your face is. Hi, buddy. Yes, I don't have anything. See? Can I get you some lunch? Okay, I'll get you some lunch. Hi, boys. You want some lunch too? All right, everybody get some lunch. Oh, there's an egg. No. Everybody's always trying to escape. Why must we do that? Give them lunch. Boys. See if I can do this without having escaping critters. Hi! Come on, you little stinky butts. Come on, you little stinky butts. Come on, boys. Oh my. You're following me? What are you doing? I gotta clean this all up here. Hold on. Day of cleaning. Chickens, have you left any eggs in here for me? I wonder? Any eggs? No, I'm gonna give you some food. I'm gonna pull this up. It's dirty in there. Oh my. Happy chickens. Nice and clean. Fresh for the ladies. No chewing on me, thank you, ma'am. No, ma'am. Probably the cutest thing ever. Right where the goats eat. She's just chilling, happy as a clam. She's always in the wheelbarrows. She is always so mischievous. Right, Lily? You up to no good? Are you up to no good? You little stinker. Let's go for a ride, Lily. Okay, how about? Good girl. Nice clean stall. Now I gotta go out there, clean the rest of the poop. Excuse me. Good boy. Hi. I love you. Yeah, you do. You're a sweet boy. You're a sweetie. You are very fuzzy right now. Okay, heading back to the house now. I'm going to get changed quickly, and then I'm gonna go to the liquor store on the way to pick up Dominic so that I can get some sparkling wine for Valentine's dinner tonight. I'm gonna make some pizzas and have a little bubbly, so that'll be fun. Oh my goodness, my doggies. My doggies are waiting for me. Hi! Oh my goodness, so happy. My outfit for Valentine's, I just have a cute sweater on that I got off, I don't even remember where I got it from, but it has these cute heart details on the sleeve. It's like a flare sleeve. Super cute and comfy, and I just have it with some baggy mom jeans, whatever you want to call them, and my sneakers. So that's gonna be my outfit for Valentine's Day. I need to give my tenants their mail because sitting here. I also need to put some diatomaceous earth on my bunnies because they have a little skin thing going on and I'm not sure what it's from. I keep cleaning up my bunny's cage, but for some reason there is still, I don't know if it's them kind of attacking each other, but I feel like it's not. I feel like it might be both. There's something, whether it's they've got lice or mites, something that's bugging their skin. So I'm gonna try that. Put the diatomaceous earth directly on their fur and then sprinkle it in their cage as well, so I can get them healthy again. Because the girl bunnies that are in another area, they don't have any of that. So I don't know. Guess we'll find out. So Randy has hockey tonight, so we're not gonna be doing a big dinner like we normally do, so that's okay. He says we'll go for dinner another night this week, or we'll make dinner at home. We normally do a nice dinner. We either do steak and seafood, or I do like a seafood hot pot. We just do a nice, you know, a little more fancy dinner for ourselves. Not tonight. We're just gonna do homemade pizzas, and I made some chocolate covered strawberries for the kids, so that's exciting. And yeah, that's it. Babe, how was school, bud?
The best day ever.
The best day ever? Oh, sorry, we're on a really bumpy road. We are on a heritage road, so they don't repair it. So it just is like 4x4 in here. What?
Your mouth.
Did everybody love your treats for Valentine's Day?
Everybody was just doing the ring pop.
Oh, they were more excited about the ring pop?
But we can only have 2 treats, so nobody ate the bag because it would have been a waste.
A waste? It's a whole bag of treats.
No, you can only eat like one thing in there.
No.
Oh, you have to pick one thing inside the bag.
Oh, that stinks.
That's baloney.
That's malarkey.
What's malarkey?
Malarkey is like poop. I don't know. I don't even know what malarkey is. It's a load of malarkey. Let's Google it. What is malarkey? Anybody know? Let us know. Thanks, guys. Like real food?
Yeah, not empty-calorie foods.
That's good, buddy.
That is.
Yeah, like junk food. Empty calories are junk food.
Like
And they're not-
calories, but not.
There's no minerals or nutrients. Bang, bang. Okay, I'm making my pizza dough. Recipe. This is a super easy recipe. Well, I'm going to prep it now, and then that way, because I have to go harrow the ring and bring the horses in. Sophia's not feeling good. Bread that's ready to be baked, so I'll put that to the side. Why is everybody leaving me? Who cares about your head? You're the only one who uses it.
Yay.
All right, we've got 1 package of yeast. Ooh. Pizza. Oh shoot, I think I need 2 packages. That's just fine.
What's 4 times 6?
24. Oh, you gotta go do your homework, you forgot, hey? Okay, so 4.5 cups of flour. It's a lot of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. All right. Now wait till it turns into a ball of dough, and then stretch it and eat it. Bake it. Boom. I like it a lot. These sleeves. So cute. It's like Temu for like 20 bucks. This sauce is so good for pizza sauce, or just use it as pasta sauce. With the bowl while it's rising. I'm gonna let this bad boy rest. Let this stay here. does AFK mean?
Like, away from keyboard.
Oh, and Kate, did you get quite a haul?
Mm-hmm.
You got quite the haul from your Valentine's today, hey?
Mm-hmm.
Did everybody love our Valentines that we made?
Yeah.
They're the hit?
Not the hit.
Not the hit? What? Flowers really. Perfect. All right, round 2. Back out to the barn I go. All right, come on. No. Come on. Let's go inside. Don't touch my camera. Don't touch it.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Careful, don't push too hard. Okay, more. Another spoonful.
That's how it's great.
I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Jade, how'd the pizza?
Alright.
All right. You don't love it? Needs to be crunchier.
My wildest
What
dreams.
you got for me? Ooh. Thanks.
Yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything
Oh my
feels
God.
like, oh, yeah.
Wait.
Wanna give you every part
You got me a
of me.
pen.
I can't
Yeah.
believe this is reality.
Yeah, it is.
And now you're laying next
That's it.
to me. Everything feels like, oh,
It's a big Christmas tree.
Yeah, 'cause they don't have small ones. There are small ones. I was like, that's too small.
Yeah, it needs to be big. That's perfect. Stop. Yeah. Woo!
When will school go to?
No?
Job done.
No, I think it's toast. Like the battery's fully charged, it's just unresponsive.
That's just like so good, so. The pizza is just so good.
Feel it good?
Mine.
Can I?
Our little gifts for Valentine's.
She kisses.
Michael Jordan! Happy Valentine's Day, buddy. We love you with all our hearts. All our hearts.
Aww.
Tell her read out.
Read it out loud, you buggers.
Strawberry cheesecake! Jewel cream soda.
What?
Cotton candy!
That's what everybody used to wear was cross colors. Wow. Yeah. Totally.
Kicking it old school.
It is old school.
Moved dough and down. Yeah.
That's
Alone in this world, but you have
Sounds like you did.
No.
See this.
Thanks, guys.
only want what's best.
And then you can get
What's best
That's your face. Ew.
It smells her.
She pretends to know love. Amen. Oh,
that you
This is on video!
25.
champagne.
that everything is gonna be alright.
Yeah. Who's gonna do it now?
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have
Hey!
to put your trust into us, and we will.
This is a freaking vlog. Okay, that's lots of.
But it's best for
At
you.
least it's entertaining. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's vlog. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And we'll see you guys next time. Cheers!